gold leaf electroscope. Here upper end is brass disc and the lower end inside the jar is rectangular strip with gold foil. Take a glass rod and rub it with silk. Touch the rubbed end of the glass rod with the brass disc of the gold leaf electroscope. We observe that leaf of the gold leaf electroscope diverges outward since similar charges repel each other. Similarly, ebonite rod rubbed with cat skin and it is touched with the brass disc of the gold leaf electroscope. Leaves of the gold leaf electroscope gets charged and diverges outward since the like charges repel each other. Up to now, since the repelling action between the leaves, we conclude charge produced in the objects by rubbing. To understand the nature of the charge, either it is positive or negative, take a gold leaf electroscope and initially charge it negatively with charged ebonite rod touching the brass disc. Now touch any given charged body to the disc. If leaves of the gold leaf electroscope diverges further, then the body is negatively charged. If leaves of the gold leaf electroscope close together, then the body is positively charged.